Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a very popular website on the internet. If you just want to learn about web development and coding, with this website you have known W3Schools.com, and basically it is a tutorial based website where you actually can learn coding very easily. Simply type the technology that you want to learn. Simply if I want to learn HTML, so these step-by-step tutorials will come right here alongside with code snippets, and you can go to any sort of section. So simply do this, and then you will get to know, learn coding step by step alongside what is HTML file paths. So first of all, you will get a short little summary, and then you can even try this with a full little editor. You can write code, simply run this code right in their editor itself. So if you just want to learn web development, it's a very popular website, and you can even try out their certificate as well. So they do have the certificate exams, which also you can pay with PayPal, and then you can actually do this exam and on a HTML certification exam. So you can basically search for any technology. Let's suppose JavaScript. So they do have these courses available, exams available. Just click on PayPal, and then you can purchase this courses. So they do offer the subscription as well. Around $80 per month, you will get unlimited access to all the W3 content, 1000 hours of learning, 50 plus certifications. So this is the subscription model that they have. But apart from that, if you just want to study for free, you come to the search bar and all these technologies are there. You simply, if you want to learn TypeScript, you simply search it right here. And they do have exercises as well. So you can actually start your exercises if you just want to practice. You basically fill out these exercises. So TypeScript allows developers to add. So here you can submit your answer or show the answer to add types to JavaScript. Then you come to the next section. These are different exercises. So in this easy way, you can try out, and these are different tutorials. You can learn Java, TypeScript. Similarly, go to any section and see the answers. And you can even basically have their own code editor as well. So here you can actually type the code. Try backend editor as well. So this is for Python, and here you provide the input, create a new file. You can select any language here. So let's suppose PHP. You can execute your PHP code directly inside the backend editor as well. So click the run button and your PHP code will run. So here from the drop down, you can select any language. Let's suppose Node.js. So here you can try out their code editor as well, which is completely free. And so it's a very good website, guys. Definitely try this. You can even learn for any technology. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands